I didn't see, by the way, at the time, the independents offering the 41,000 allowance that each of you get on a cash-free, on a tax-free basis. I didn't see you offering that. I didn't see you offering that.
Please. Could we have order, please?
I'd like.
Sorry, deputies. Sorry, members on both sides, please. I say both. Please, both. Members, I've called on the Taoiseach, please now.
Okay. So perhaps, Deputy Fitzmaurice might lead by example. Perhaps he doesn't take that particular payment. Perhaps Deputy Fitzmaurice would actually, perhaps in terms of his fellow independents, address...
Sorry, this is Deputy Michael Fitzmaurice's question. If we have order, please. Members, Deputy Donnelly, please. Please, Minister. Deputy Fitzmaurice. Deputy, please. Sorry. Please. I've asked the Taoiseach to reply.
Deputy Fitzmaurice.
Sorry. Deputy Hannigan. This is Deputy Fitzmaurice's question now, please. Deputy Fitzmaurice's question. Taoiseach.
Deputy Fitzmaurice.
Suspend the House if we can't have Deputy Fitzmaurice.
Deputy Fitzmaurice said that he would support. Deputy Fitzmaurice said that he would support moves that can legally be done, was the phrase you used. And in that, you have used a very wise phrase, one with which I concur.